Hello, my name is Elo. Bino and his best friend. One day, Bino goes to the market with his best friend and mother. They go to the market on foot. Bino's mother gave Bino and his best friend $3. Apuy wants buy mango. Mito wants buy apples. Why do you want buy fruit? Says Bino. I want buy fruit because it is good for our health. Okay, let's go buy fruits. I want buy avocado, says Bino. They are happy because they buy their fruit like. They playing with spears when finish eating. Thank you.